Gentlemen, I'd like to take a moment to describe the unique history of what you're about to watch. In 1997, the leaders of Air Combat Command assembled a select group of retired military and civilian performers to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the United States Air Force. Here they come for their first pass. Look at the beautiful Mustang leading the way. From that original gathering was born the Heritage Flight, what you're seeing here today. It's a unique visual representation of the Air Force's history from the days of the Army Air Corps to the present. What started out as a one-time event has grown in popularity and demand, and now heritage flights are performed in air shows and special events in the United States and around the world. As we've already mentioned, flying in today's formation, a World War II era P-51 Mustang, flown by Mr. Kevin Eldridge from the Plains of Fame Museum in Chino, California. And a United States Air Force F-16 Fighting Falcon, flown by Major David Graham.
To fly and fight, who have served their country in the sky with a grateful heart and watchful eye. We remember. And may the faithful brown sheets bore the sword of freedom on their wings. He give the honor such a
soldier, not the poet, who has given us freedom of speech. It is the sailor and Coast Guardsman, not the reporter, who has given us freedom of the press. It is the airman, not the campus organizer, who has given us the freedom to demonstrate. And it is the Marine, who salutes the flag, who serves beneath the flag, and whose coffin is draped by the flag, who gives the protester the right to burn the flag.
Should be here, I think.
through hostile skies. Know that freedom requires a sacrifice.
Here comes the sun.
To those who paid the highest with a place of honor may the greatest glory be reserved for the colors they so bravely serve. Keep them flying, so that all who see them will know that our freedom was won by the blood and
We hope you've enjoyed watching and taking pride in this rare glance at over 60 years of Air Force heritage. performance of this nation during the past 30 years, its superiority as a multi-role fighter has greatly increased Air Combat Command's ability to meet its commitments as a quick reaction force, helping to give the Air Force its global reach, global power, and above all, its ability to meet any challenge, anywhere, under any circumstances. We hope our performance has sparked an interest in the opportunities you can have as a member of the United States Air Force. If you're interested in joining today's premier aerospace team, please stop by and talk to your local recruiter. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for one final pass, Mr. Kevin Eldridge in the P-51 Mustang. Listen to that 12-cylinder Rolls-Royce engine. And Major Grant. From Hill Air Force Base in Utah. Listen to that engine.